Today I'm going to show you how to install joist hangers. There's a proper way and an improper way. So we're going to go through all the different steps, whether you're a homeowner or a pro. If you're a homeowner, you probably don't have a metal connecting nail gun. So you're going to probably use nails. Now this is an 1.5" 10D nail. This goes into your ledger like that. It is very important you do not use this on an angle. So you're going to use 1.5" going into your ledger, and you're going to use a 3" 10D on an angle. That way it goes through your joist and into your ledger. Now if you don't want a hammer, they have an alternative. They make these screws. So these are made by Simpson. They go 1.5" this way and 2.5" on an angle like that. If you're using one of these, this only shoots 1.5" nails, which isn't good enough for the angle. The other important part is these are regular nails. These are hot dip galvanized. So anything going into pressure treated lumber has to be hot dipped galvanized nails. Stop using this on an angle. This is only 1.5". So you have two options. The old-fashioned way with nails. Or the faster, easier way, Simpson 2.5" screws. And that is the proper way to install a joist hanger. So we're just going to repeat the process. Now another thing you can do is kind of squeeze them together, pinch them, and then it helps kind of lock it in place for you. And that is how you properly install joist anchors. Be sure to check out Simpson's information. They have a great thing on the website just to check all this out. So be sure to do your homework, research, but whatever you do not do 1.5 inches on an angle. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.